Today we are reviewing and unboxing the DJI OM 4. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Mitchell Ringos. I'm a videographer, photographer living in Canada, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we are getting close to 100 subscribers. This is the newest stabilizer for your phone. It is made by DJI, a well-known electronic company who does a lot of things with stabilizers. It has also stabilizers for cameras that are very popular. So when this came out, I thought I'd give it a test and see actually how good it is. Inside the box, it has the instructions for what to do. Take off the top part, it says create magnetic movements. Inside is, on the right side is a whole bunch of manuals on how to actually use it. On the left side is a case and something to stick on your phone. It might be a sticker or it might be a magnet. I'm not 100% sure yet. I think it's just a sticker. But this is what you get on top. Also, you get a cord that comes with it to charge it. So this is very handy. You don't want to lose that. You also get the actual attachment. So this springs open like this. This is actually a magnet that goes onto the DJI. So you put this around your phone and then just click a magnet on, and it's super easy to set up. The actual DJI you get is nicely packed into this box. All you have to really do is set it down, take it out, you screw in the bottom tripod like this, you open it up so it can sit directly on the table. This is super easy to set up. All you have to do is have your phone and also the little magnet clip. You face the DJI Osmo, make sure the text is facing up. There is a little thing inside the phone to show exactly where to put it on your phone, but I just assume it's the middle. It worked for me last time, so we're just gonna assume it's the middle of the phone. You then line up, there's a DJI, it looks exactly the same as on here. You line it up straight with your phone, and then you magnet it on. And then all you do is you pull this out. So once you pull this out, all you have to do is hold this little M button, which is the power button. It then beeps to say it is turned on. Now that it is turned on, it is straight facing. As you can see, my phone's on there. To change the orientation, you double click the M button and it goes into horizontal view. To change the orientation, you double click the M button and it goes into horizontal view to film horizontal video, and you double click to go straight back. There is also a joystick on this, so if you hold the joystick down, it's going to point your camera facing downwards, and if you hold it up, it's going to point your camera facing upward, and then holding the joystick to the left or the right makes it spin in a circle. If you do that and want to get your camera back to the original position, all you have to do is double click this back button and it will go back to its original position to record straight. Now, I tested out this footage for a TikTok I made. So as you're seeing the footage right now, it's super stable. I took this on a longboard. It's an electric longboard and it goes 40 kilometers an hour at top speed. It was a bit dead, so I'd say I was going 30 to 35, and this thing made everything super stable, even going that fast. I'm sorry for the vertical video, but filmed it for TikTok. If you want to follow my TikTok, it's right there. The footage I got on this was super stable, and it's not even the fact that the footage is stable on this that I enjoy. It's the fact how I can literally just click this on and then within 3 seconds it's set up and I'm recording. Compared to my actual gimbal, it takes me about 15 minutes just to get it stabilized, and then I have to make sure it's stabilized at all times. If I zoom my camera lens too far, I have to re-stabilize it, which is very annoying. When with this, I can literally set it up and within 5 minutes, I'm outside recording. So I really like that about this. It's super lightweight. I can turn it in any way. I can pretty much carry this all day. My other gimbal, a couple hours, is gonna start hurting my shoulders and my joints. This thing, I feel like I can hold all day and it wouldn't really affect me too much. So what you can do is, I believe it's Bluetooth, or you attach a cord. I haven't got that far yet, but pretty much there's a zoom on the side so you can zoom in and out. There's also a feature, if you hold the M button, it goes into standby mode, so it points your phone straight up so you can sit it on the table and your phone will just be sitting there casually. I'm pretty sure you can scroll on your phone while you're looking at this, so I could place it just like this and then scroll and look at my posts, which is pretty cool. There's also a mode on this where you can have it recording and then angle slightly. I have this on my other gimbal too. It's cool for like music videos or for like action sport videos when you want to add some movement into it, which is really awesome. Overall, I really like this gimbal. For our first impressions, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 because for how easy, light, and affordable this is for people, this is the perfect gimbal, especially if you're a creator that doesn't have enough money to buy an expensive camera and an expensive gimbal. When you already have a cell phone and you can put a cheaper gimbal that does everything you need and gives you perfectly smooth footage, even when you're sprinting and going on a skateboard, this is a great deal, especially for TikTok. Quality isn't everything on TikTok, it's more about the content. So you can use your phone footage and get lots of views and have fun doing it. I bought this because I want to start doing more TikTok videos, and these are super big on TikTok with all the things you can do with it and how easy it is. Now I don't have to bring my whole camera up to go film TikToks. I can just bring this out with me and record whatever I want. Overall, if you're looking for a phone gimbal or just a gimbal in general and you think maybe it's time to invest in one, I think this gimbal is the best choice for you. Cameras can get very expensive, and this is an affordable choice that I think you should probably pick up. This is just my first impressions. I'm going to be getting tons of videos with this in the future. So if I get a lot of footage and I don't like it, I will make an update to this video saying how good or how bad it is doing. So in the future, after maybe 3 months, 6 months, a year of using, once I really get to know how good this is, I'll make another review. But for now, this thing is amazing. So again, if you're looking for a phone gimbal, this is probably your best option. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you're going to get the DJI OM4 to record videos. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel as I'm close to 100 subscribers, and click that notification bell to make me happy. With that being said, stay positive, keep creating, and until next time, peace.